Hello, I'm Haik, the founder of OrionFlow, and we are building an AI agent for factory optimization. OrionFlow connects to all machines on the factory floor, collects real-time telemetry data, and based on that delivers actionable recommendations to reduce the downtime, optimize scheduling, and cut energy waste. I am an engineer, and for the past 6 years I was working in the automotive industry, designing test systems and production lines. While working at National Instruments, I have helped major automakers like Volkswagen, Stellantis, Porsche, and others to build their next generation electric vehicles. That experience gave me a deep insight into how modern factories operate and where they break down. Eventually, I have teamed up with my two co-founders, my old friends, and we started building OrionFlow with the goal of reducing inefficiencies in manufacturing. One of the problems is factory downtime. Downtime costs high-tech manufacturers hundreds of millions every year. Our platform leverages predictive maintenance and AI-driven scheduling to solve that issue, saving time and money. We are already seeing a strong interest, and with the support of we are ready to scale. Let's together turn the downtime into uptime. Thank you.